Hello, I'm Sara of Sewing Therapy and welcome back to Sewing School on CBC Life. This project features a free pattern of my own design, the layer cami top. Depending on the length of the straps, you can wear it as a stylish layer over your favorite top or dress, or as a cool standalone cami top. You can also lengthen this top to make a dress, adding to its versatility. Let's get started. For this project, you will need a sewing machine, the free pattern that's available on CBC Life, pins or clips, and fabric. A measuring tape is optional. Cut 2 pieces for the front and back bodies on folded main fabric. Cut 2 pieces for the front and back facing on folded lining fabric. Cut 2 to 4 strips, each 4 cm wide, for shoulder straps as per your preference. Stay stitch the arm size and necklines on the front and back bodies and facing. Stay stitching is a crucial step that prevents stretching when sewing layers together. Never skip this step. Make 3/8 inch wide straps using your preferred method. Let me walk you through mine. Fold the strap in half lengthwise and press. Then open the strap and fold both long raw edges to the center and press. Fold the strap in half again and press. Top stitch or edge stitch the strap and repeat for all other straps. You will also need to finish the bottom edges of the front and back facing using your preferred method. Now that we have prepared all our pieces, we can construct the back bodies. We will begin by pinning the straps to the right side of the back bodies and then pinning the back facing right sides together. Sew the top edges beginning and ending at the arm size. Do not sew the side edges. Trim the shoulder seams, clipping the corners to reduce bulk, and clip all rounded edges. This step ensures the rounded edges are flat and smooth when turned. Take care not to clip the seam. Turn the back bodies right sides out. And press the seam towards the facing. You can skip it at the strap area as it's hard to reach. Then understitch the facing as this will hold the seam to the facing. Like in the previous step, understitch as far as you can as the strap area is hard to sew. Give the back bodies a nice press. Before proceeding, now is the best time to try on the cami top to adjust the length of the straps as needed. Pin the straps and bodies and carefully try on your top. Cut the straps to your preferred length and proceed. Pin the straps to the right size of the front facing and paste. Lay the front bodies on the front facing with the right sides together. And pin the arm side, shoulder, and neckline together, then sew. Do not sew the side seams. Trim the shoulder seams, including the corners, to reduce bulk. And clip all rounded edges. Again, take care not to clip the seam. Turn the front body's right sides out and press the entire seam towards the facing. Then understitch the facing as this will hold the seam to the facing. Ensure that your straps are flat. Next, we will attach the front and back bodies together at the sides. Open the facing and pin the front and back bodies at the side seams, right sides together. And sew. Then finish using your preferred method. To reduce bulk, clip the side seam and send it in opposite directions, then fold the facing to the bodies. Pin the side seam and repeat for the other side. Stitch in the ditch to secure the facing to the bodies. Which do you prefer? One strap or double straps? All that is left to finish the layer cami top is to finish the hem. Double fold the bottom edge and press. Then sew the hem. The layer cami top offers a variety of looks based on your fabric choice and strap length. Whether you wear it as a chic layer, a cool standalone cami, or even as a maxi dress, it will keep you stylish all summer long. Experience the joy of wearing a garment made by you and for you. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, 안녕!